Hi, Jens here. You want to try something new with your AI? Then this video is for you.
In this video, using the multimodality of your AI. And what is multimodality? Whenever we develop a new medium, we generally tend to fall back into our old habits from our old medium. Steve Jobs, 1985 in Sweden. We need to get out of our old habits with the new AI medium. Welcome to multimodality. Let me show you. We started with text to text, then we added text to image, text to video, image to video, text to sound, etc. These are different modalities in input and output. Everything can become anything you want. You have different modalities. You can get different modalities. Don't fall back into your old habits. Get into new good habits with AI. Explore the multimodality of your AI. Here is an example. Summarize PDF to text, to Word file, to sound file, and even write a script to control a robot. Thumbs up for increased profit, thumbs down for lower profit. It is possible to do now. Use AI to build great companies.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comments below how you would use multimodality in your company.